Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Katbanang jan kisngi siya ke election. Kinong yalam jo kiseng bapher kilawan ban penyaso yaladi siya ke NPP. National President jo ke National People's Party Konrad Sangma. Henne kisngi ulap pedang sngobha siya kaseng NPP, ya ke MDC ka umsneng kakong Macdalyne Saukme Maulong, MLA barem ka Ranikor uba Martin Danggo, CEM barem ka KHADC, uba man steady nongrem, KMDC barem ka GHADC, kinong yalam jo kiwe kiseng siya ke NPP. Habakren hakane kasngi Menteri Rangba ka jela Konrad Sangma. Ula ong idon hangne banrung siya kaseng san perthai. Bad habang idon hapo kaseng san perthai, ngidai bandon kathong ban pendem. Nambar leng ba kaseng san Hima sima, nginla bantrei na kabanta ka jing pha jong kipat ba. Ula panpauru ya ka jing ngokmen bakinong yalam na kalengki district bapher kilawan ban penyaso yaladi siya ke NPP. Ula ongru bahakini ki sausnem ka sorkar MDA kalaya kendo ya shibun ki jing don ki babu jingkeli lakani ka sorkar kan nene tangshis nemru Henry ka jing treshi tom ka panlong ya kani ka sorkar bakan ne hadu kini kisngi. Ula ongru baka datang kani ka sorkar kabashim ya kimat ki badon kam jong ka jella ompat don ki sorkar ki banut banshim namar kiting ya ke election. Henry ka sorkar MDA ka shim ya kini ki senjam na kabanta ka jing mentoy jong ki patba. Hakani kasngi la yoru ya ka jingkren na uba preston, uba monster di nong rembat kiway.
Kat banang mi kasnem katangi nang sngau saad, haka jinga krikam na kaleng parti, ban ngangit skem, ba haka arajar arpula election, kabangi persyang kabala kalong bangin yo ya ka majority, haka ni ka arpula election. Habang ong kumta kamut ban ong bangin ebe laningin bread bay ya kini ki coalition partners jongi tenrei ka commitment jongi ka yayat tenrei ka bangikwa na kaliang ka party NPP bangin poy sa kathong bat kata kalong bangin nunduna ya ka lai hu lai seat bangin yo hapo ka jalame kala jongi menin kasni i chief minister balong national president bat nga nginang yawan nang the na po Manipur election ngani thu ipi ang the kan sadon ke jingkala ka bajur ha ka ba iman ngin dunai ka kasaw kan sad sit nginyo u arjar khanyo ngiyo tang saw sit teringa ong pimenta ka ganti ke jinge kun kolong ha pedeng ka NPP bat ka BJP te kata ka de ka jing klan jong ka parti NPP jongi hangne ha po northeastern state barokoi ha po ka jelam jong National President jong balong Chief Minister hapok jelam jong uba Konrad Sangma.
Habang ia trei da ka parti nadu bang ia le ia ke election ngin pat jurem mat si sinro ngira job na gawe ka tem se gawe ka tem dan regin dia tu epi hakane ka pai election hakane ka by election ngalong again si Pak Martin Danggo ngalang Christian ni Pak Pius Marway sorry for that mentang ilapoy biang siya ka jingi kendo ban ya perkhat benia bahaya kini namarang iyo i kibun kidaw kibide rangkat bat ka konferensi ni cungi ngisule rain ban pai saka Ranikor konferensi hagi jogo por ngisule rain ban pai saka state kejela miklia ga jungi de kata kadau ngila sim bi rai ngila song meeting la bon sin rangkat bat ki leaders ki jungi kita hang ne sibun ki leaders jungi ki main leader ki bawan hang de ban senran lem yai Pak Martin hagade gapor tira kata kadau ila sim na gawe garai ban pha yele biangi badang ko saisen ban yakun na gade ka parti NPP bat ngi kermen bat ngi da ai ka asyaran habhi ka parti NPP baro bangin tresitam ban penjab ii how does them arajar arpulai ningai ke ding tresitam kan long ke jing job bat nga khmelenti bangka parti NPP hangde hagi jela Meghalaya jui kan wan biang chaka bor sai se.
We are here to join a political party. Whenever we work in politics, we must join a cause. There must be a purpose of why we are here. Political parties will allow you to achieve that purpose. Political parties will allow you or give you the platform that you need. But ultimately, we are here to do good for the people of our state. And we should all remember that that should be the driving force for each and every one of us. And that's why I'm happy today that people from different constituencies with a vast experience have today joined the cause of the National People's Party to take forward our state of Meghalaya and also to work together for the Northeast region and the country as a whole. Last 4 years have been very challenging for us. We have faced a large number of difficulties. I remember in the first 6 months of the formation of the government, not a lot of people had confidence that this government would last. A lot of people questioned on whether we'll be able to survive even 1 year. But it is the blessing of God. It is a teamwork that has been there. It is our commitment to the people of our state that has allowed us to be focused on what we are doing and not be bothered by these comments that made from outside and continue to serve the people of our state. And when the tough situations came, we got tougher. When crisis comes, that's when the true quality of an individual or the true quality of a team comes out. And we faced multiple crises. I don't have to tell you. But more the crisis that came, the tougher we got. The more challenges that came in front of us, the better the team started performing. And we started to move forward. And you have seen in the last 4 years that this government has taken up issues that nobody ever dared to take up. Because of political issues and situations that maybe this might affect us in elections. But I keep telling our team that yes, there is elections, but there is also a purpose for which we are here. So while we think of elections, we must also remember that we have been given this opportunity and time to serve our people. Yes, it is difficult. Border issue is not easy, but it is our duty to try. People have given us a mandate, we must give it a shot. Because 20 years, 30 years down the line, if we look back and ask ourselves that why we didn't do it that time, I think we will regret it. And that is why I always believe that we must try. Failure and success is something that's not in our hands completely. But if we don't try, then we are failing in our duty and responsibility that the people of the state have bestowed on us. And therefore we have taken up matters and issues that have been very challenging for us. But because of the teamwork, because of the guidance we receive from each and every one of you, because of the blessings that we have got from above, we are able to move forward. And I can tell you there will be many issues that have been there in the state for a very long time. I can assure you that we will be able to resolve most of these issues. That's the kind of positivity that we work with today. Apart from being able to work as a team, in this government we have been very clear. It's not one-man show. It's not about what just the Chief Minister wants. It's not about what just the Deputy Chief Minister wants. It is about what is good for the team. It is about what's good for the state. It's about listening to the MLAs. It's about listening to the MDCs. It's about listening to the party leaders, listening to the people, the public. If we start to do things the way we feel like doing, then I think that's the wrong thing to do. As leaders, we must have our ears to the ground. We must have our feet on the ground. We must connect with the people. We must talk to our party leaders. We must talk to our MLAs, MDC, and come to a decision and consensus based on consensus. And in this government, that is how we have worked.